Delhi is the capital of India, a new rising country with a massive potential to change the entire planet. Its population is about 18 million to 22 million people, and every year about 200,000 and 300,000 people come into Delhi from other parts of India. Delhi's population doubled in a matter of 23 years during 1991 and 2014. This is a massive population growth, and Delhi seems to be unable to support this ongoing population boom.
New Delhi, with its immense growth, is struggling to reliably supply its citizens with clean water. People are frequently receiving unsafe water at inconvenient times, and some are often relying on other sources of water, such as illegal tankers or bottled water. However, most are directly affected and suffers a life where water seems to be a luxury when it's a human right. The rivers of India are extremely polluted, and there are several causes. Even though trash and puja items is the visible pollution, the rivers are poisoned by invisible chemicals from both agricultural runoff and industrial waste. Agricultural runoff is the runoff from fields into water bodies when it rains. If the soil is filled with chemicals from pesticides and man-made fertilizers, all those chemicals get into the water. The immense population increase in Delhi is pressuring farmers to use pesticides when farming. A major reason to why people are receiving inadequate amount of water is because almost half of the water is lost during transportation. Broken pipelines and leaky tankers are the culprits, as it results in the Delhi citizens getting supplied with a very small amount of water. This phenomenon is very disruptive in the daily lives of the citizens of Delhi, and it must be fixed. The current water quality in Delhi is terrifying. Much of the Yamuna River's water is so polluted it is not even fit for industrial cooling purposes. This same water is the source for drinking for many hundreds of people in northern India. The Yamuna River is one of the world's most polluted rivers and is the destination for 22 drains as it runs through the capital. These drains pour sewage and other waste straight into the river. No wonder the water in Delhi is at its current state.
Improve infrastructure of pipes and distribute sanitational water cleanly. We must prevent the loss of water from the pipes and stop the flow of contamination that enters through the pipes. Collect and filter rainwater to provide more clean water. Use different types of resources to collect water and have a multi-dependency so that if one runs out, you can use the other source. Reduce corruption and enforce more laws to improve pollution. Create laws and pressure the government to enforce them. Initiate organic farming to reduce chemicals in agricultural runoff. Organic farming will not only decrease the chemicals in agricultural runoff to almost zero, but also improve the health of the soil. However, most of all, we need to educate the future generations about water. If the future generations are well educated, then hopefully they will not make the same mistakes and pollute the environment. Education programs in school are extremely important because it builds the fundamental basis and perception for their life. Preventing the future from worsening the situation is a bigger necessity. We will teach the future to build structured and systematic transportation as engineers and teach the future's inventors to create efficient rainwater collectors, create honest and candid governors, and encourage safe organic farming. From there, we can improve the quality and availability of water and move towards a better future.